This is a quick and dirty walkthrough on how to place a design on a um, purchased mock-up. So what I like to do is go into Canva. You can do this in over two. It's the same basic process. I do a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas. There we go. And then what I do is open up my mock-up. If you don't have it loaded, you can go to Uploads, Upload Media, and that'll upload it. So we'll open up a mock-up. Let's go here. And then I set it as a background image. I don't know if you saw that, but you right click, set as background, and then just grab one of your designs. Grab one of my little fishing ones with a forest. And it just pops right up, so then you size it about how it's going to look on the shirt. Put it up here, and they tend to look a little bit cartoony. So, not right up on the neck. It's about centered. They tend to look a little bit cartoony, so what I do is select it, go up here to transparency, and in over, I believe it's called opacity. So I bring it down to right around 90. This one isn't that bad, so I'll call it 92. And there you go. You have your mock-up. Download it as a JPEG. In over, same thing. You just switch over to JPEG. Click download, and it will be ready for you to upload once you open up your, once you get your item listed on Etsy. You just go into Etsy, edit the item, and then add photo and upload this, and you are set. You're all done.